Hi, everyone, and welcome to the final meme review of the year. It's hard to believe, but I don't want to leave you hanging without anything. And these have been kind of fun. I've really enjoyed them. They actually give me something to laugh about every day. So, hope you liked them, and maybe we'll do it in school next year. I'll put one up on the board. So, I really like this one. I don't know the reference at all. I'm assuming it's something like some stupid show like The Bachelorette or something, or The Bachelor, whatever it's called. Costanza, when someone slightly makes fun of him, I feel my heart crack. It's true. It's very painful. Actually, it hurts my lung. That's mostly what it hurts. That's a horrible joke. I shouldn't even say that. Oh, but anyway, I like this one a lot because you shouldn't make fun of me. I'm the nicest guy in the building. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to tell you guys that. So there's one. There are a couple other ones. Me waiting for Costanzo to stop ranting about trains so I can continue presenting. This one's very accurate. I really need to stop doing that. But then I wouldn't enjoy myself, and we all know it's about me. It's all about me. So, probably not going to stop. There's some other ones in here. Let me see. What's another one? This one's funny. When you are subscribed to Mr. Costanzo, so you can watch videos for classes you aren't even in, days before he assigns it to the students actually taking the class, I am 4 parallel universes ahead of you. Is that looks like Mario, but it's like a completely roided out Mario. So I like that one too. I'm gonna have to be more specific about which who it's visible for. And there's one more I want to show you. When you hear the new sophomores crying in Costanzo's room first time, yeah, this is a great one. This one's awesome. If it weren't for the hanging stuff, I'd probably put it up on my wall. So now you guys have all moved on. So now you can look with pity on the sophomores crying in Costanzo's room. That's a great meme. That one's weird. I like this one. School year ends. I don't get the reference. No more meme reviews. It's true. No more meme reviews over the summer. Look at that cat, how sad it is. It's probably because it's about to be euthanized. All right. Again, horrible. I hope you guys have a great summer, and I will see you first thing in the fall.